Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head directly to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. If today's income pick, Iron Mountain, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol IRM, put the word energy or AI in their name, I think they get a lot more attention than they do now. Despite reliable high yield dividend and share price that's kicking the broader market to the curb, Iron Mountain doesn't seem to garner the same kind of attention around the water cooler as it should. Perhaps it might be because people only associate Iron Mountain with paper shredding, and to be fair, that is pretty boring. It really sounds like an episode of The Office, but Iron Mountain is a lot more than that. John?
Yes, thanks, Mo. They certainly are. Iron Mountain is actually the global leader for storage, asset lifestyle management, and information management services. The company is trusted by more than 225,000 customers worldwide to store and protect billions of valued assets, including critical business information, highly sensitive data, and even cultural and historical artifacts. The company's global presence includes 95% of Fortune 1000 companies, and with a retention rate of 98%, its customers clearly like what it does. According to the most recent investor presentation, Iron Mountain's real estate network includes 1,400 facilities in 60 countries across 97 million square feet. That's 730 million cubic feet of physical volume, and that's the equivalent of 1,684 NFL football fields.
And it recently reported record quarterly and full year revenue and adjusted EBITDA.
Yeah, for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2023, Iron Mountain announced that revenue increased 11% year over year to 1.4 billion. Net income came in at 29.2 million. Adjusted EBITDA was up 11.3% at a record 525.2 million. Funds from operation per share was up 12% at 83 cents, and adjusted funds from operation advanced 10% to 327.6 million, or $1.11 per share. And for the full year, revenue climbed 7% to 5.5 billion. Net income was 187.3 million, or 63 cents per share. Adjusted EBITDA climbed 7% to a record 1.96 billion, while adjusted funds from operation increased 5% to 1.21 billion, or $4.12 per share, I think. By all accounts, 2024 is expected to be another year of milestones for Iron Mountain.
And income investors will like this. IRM hiked its quarterly dividend by 5%.
Yeah, before the pandemic, Iron Mountain had a solid history of raising its annual dividend, but it held it steady at 0.618 cents per share between 2020 and the first half of 2023. But in August 2023, it resumed its dividend hikes, increasing its third quarter dividend by 5% to 65 cents per share. Now, it's held its payout at that level since then. This works out to an annual distribution of $2.60 per share for a yield of 3.45%.
Now, that the dividend seems a little low for stocks we normally consider at income investors.
Yeah, absolutely. We typically wouldn't entertain a stock with a dividend of just 3.5%. It's, trumping inflation, but just barely. I prefer to look at stocks with dividends well in excess of 5%. But for Iron Mountain, I think I'll make an exception, but only because its share price is doing so well. On February 27th, Iron Mountain stock hit a new record high of $75.95 per share. This puts it up 25% over the last 6 months, 6.2% since the start of 2024, and actually up 47.5% over the last year. And thanks to record 2023 results and strong 2024 guidance, Wall Street has become more bullish on IRM stock, with analysts raising their 12-month guidance to a high of $80 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Iron Mountain might fly under the radar, but it continues to be an excellent REIT for both income and growth. And little has changed since we last looked at the company in late 2023. It has a strong balance sheet, reported solid fourth quarter results and full year revenue and adjusted EBITDA, and issued a strong 2024 guidance with revenue growth between 10 and 12%. As company's management noted, and I quote, "We are well positioned to continue our growth trajectory in 2024, which is reflected in our financial guidance for double-digit revenue growth." That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon. So stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.